Okay, I'm showered and cleaned up and dressed and ready to go to dinner. May grab a drink on the Royal Promenade, and maybe the shops will be open. I don't know, we'll see. Looking forward to a great evening.
We're gonna get there. Take my hand. Together we'll make it. Together we can. To the end. Together we'll make it. So come take my hand.
Got me another Long Island at the On Air Club, and the Royal Caribbean shop is supposed to open at 6 p.m. I also have dinner at 6 p.m., but I think my priority is to get a model ship. Really, really want one. I have a collection, and I don't want them to sell out, so I'm gonna wait in this line to get in. We're gonna do it. Okay, it was a madhouse, but I got my ship. About $50, but I collect them, so I have to have it. So now I'm trying to hurry and get to my dinner. Not sure where I'm supposed to go. We'll find out.
You know what we're waiting on?
Okay, well, we got in and I had a great dinner tonight. And had the pork chop, I had a crab cake, but I was hurrying up and trying to get to the AquaTheater. Very good, but need to go. And now I've run into these people.
Hi everybody!
I'm going to the Aqua Show. What are y'all doing?
We're going to the Aqua Show.
Are you really?
Yeah. Look, I just had it pulled up.
Aqua Show. Don't miss it. Okay, I'm at the AquaTheater, ready to see this show. I'm so excited. I haven't seen an AquaTheater show since Harmony of the Seas. So ready to see this one on Allure.
Oh, no, you went to him. You went to the guy that we're talking
What you guys?
Totally part of the show, right behind us.
I didn't know they were right behind me. It's like, oh my god.
Qual food? Qual faz motora?
say, oh yeah! Yes, thanks for coming out, everybody. We'd like to hear. We are very excited to have you on board for this very special cruise, our very first cruise out of Galveston, Texas, and the largest cruise ship to ever sail out of Galveston. And we're, again, so excited to have you on board. And we have
So OceanAria was incredible. It's the first show that I've seen since Harmony of the Seas. We didn't get a chance to see it on Wonder. We only got to see them practice a little bit. I'm telling you, on Allure of the Seas, do not miss OceanAria. It is fantastic. Absolutely wonderful divers, the acrobats, the dancers. I mean, they just did an incredible job. So this is Pinwheels. It's on the boardwalk. It's got some candy, some snacks. It's also got some kid stuff, some fun souvenirs for the kids.
That's not good.
We just lost power. That was weird. Power just went out on the boardwalk, but like stuff is still on. I don't know. That was weird. So I'm assuming that was just a, all right, you don't have to go home, but you can't stay here on the boardwalk kind of thing. I don't know. It was weird. Really, really weird. I mean, there's another Aqua show at 10:30, so I don't know. Okay, no, like seriously, I think there may be something wrong in the back of the ship, because that's where my room is, really close to the AquaTheater, and like there's lights out in the hallway. It's really weird. I'm going back to my room to see if there's any power. So I'm here in my stateroom. Oh, it's back on. Look at that, just like that. I walked in, there was no power. And now you saw it, it just came back on. Glad it came back on though. Whew. So this is what the hallway should look like. That was weird. Never experienced anything like that on a cruise ship. Glad all is normal. Let's go have some fun. Stevie Wonder tribute band going wild tonight in Dazzles. And I think I'm gonna head down to the Royal Promenade, see what's happening down there. So tonight on the Royal Promenade is a big welcome party that's supposed to happen starting at about an hour from now, and then at midnight there's going to be a balloon drop here in the Royal Promenade as well. It sounds like it's going to be pretty awesome. I'm excited. I don't know if I can stay up that late, but I'm going to do my best. Okay, I'm going to Jazz on 4, check out the jazz club. Okay, I got my refill at Bow and Stern. I may actually stop and get a piece of pizza. Will that be bad? Nah, it can't be bad. It's on a cruise ship. Hi, can I get a slice of pepperoni?
Just a slice?
Give me 2, I guess.
2?
Yeah.
That's pizza. How's your day going?
Good. I'm on Allure of the Seas. What else could be better, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Anything else for you?
That's fine for now, Natasha.
That's time?
Maybe later. We'll see. Thank you so much.
Enjoy. Welcome.
How many lemons?
So when you're on a cruise ship, you can't be judged for late night pizza. It's really not even that late. It's only about 10:25. Some Sorrento's pizza, super hot and fresh. That hits the spot. That's good. So things are starting to heat up on the Royal Promenade. The welcome party is going strong. Lots of dancing, lots of music, and the balloon drop is about 20 minutes away.
For this very special cruise, our first sailing out of Galveston, Texas! And I hope you guys are loving this ship because we love having you on board and sailing out of Texas. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here they come! What we are coming!
I've never seen this many adults go crazy over balloons in my life. This balloon. Well, that does it on the first day of our Allure of the Seas cruise out of Galveston, Texas. The first time an Oasis class ship has sailed out of Galveston. The largest cruise ship to ever sail out of Galveston, Texas. It's been an exciting day. I've had a blast. I had a great time tonight watching the balloons drop. I never knew that adults cared that much about balloons, but obviously they do. But it's been a great night, and I look forward to 3 more days ahead on this 4-night cruise on Royal Caribbean's Allure of the Seas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps us a lot here on the channel. And as always, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any featured content just like this. And I'll see you real soon.